Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs with Shubham. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for software engineer job or Python data developer job as a entry level, so you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. So let's go and start the video. So this is the page of NTT data and it's a hiring for software engineer for Mumbai location. So let's talking about this responsibility. So work directly on the business and product owner and solution business need assist junior team member to technical question, research and solve issue in the critical production application, collaborate with the team member and identify requirement to connect to the business layer with the application layer, able to handle day-to-day question and the minimal assistance, able to handle the medium difficulty request without assistant, and required skills for Java, J2, EE, ORM framework, Spring framework, web service, JSON, and XML, JSF, JavaScript. Experience required for minimum 2 years of experience of Java, of web application development, expert in Java and framework, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply now and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Next job is coming from TURING and it's a hiring for remote job and it's a Python solution developer for remote. So let's talking about this job description. So in this role of Python developer, your primary responsibility initial conducting through the code review and deliver actionable feedback with the accompanying document. So let's talking about this job responsibility. So write a Python code of manage complex challenges, work with the researcher of attained business object, develop code with the Jupyter notebook and draft documentation, identify, resolve and bug uncovered of the code, and collaborate with the researcher and understand requirement and the shared findings. So job requirement is that open to application for all level of junior, seasoned industry professional, bachelor's degree of engineering, computer science or equivalent practice experience can apply. Proficiency of Python programming language and coding and debugging, ability to handle intermediate level of Python coding and understand algorithm concept, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply now and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. So in this video we have talked about two jobs for software engineer job or Python solution developer. So if you are looking for this job also, you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. And if you have any question then ask me in the comment section. I will help you. So thanks for watching. Till the goodbye and